Hi, this is Billy Tarasio from Modern Law Practice, and today I want to give you a quick version of the upcoming class that I am giving on reimagining your law firm, 6 steps to creating the firm of your dreams. We all want a firm that provides us meaningful work and happy clients and good reputation and enough money to meet our goals and a balanced life, and we want to work with people we like, right? Seems easy enough. But what most of us have is not enough work, not enough clients, unhappy employees, unhappy clients, turnover, errors, missed deadlines, chaos, frustration, not enough time with your family. And that is not what you want, and it is not what I want for you. So with that, I want to give you 6 steps to build the law firm of your dreams. These 6 steps are drafting your constitution, which is law firm leadership and governance. Number 2, building and curating your team. This is your biggest and most crucial asset. If you are a firm of more than 3 people, the people that work for you are your most crucial and critical asset. Number 3, goal setting and data gathering. This is where you get your pulse of actual truth. Number 4, getting clients, the ones you like to work with that pay you on time. Number 5 is money management. And are my services priced correctly? Do I have a budget? And am I compensating the people who work for me in the right way? These 3 things, budgeting, pricing, and compensation, have to work. So that's step 5. And then number 6 is systems and processes. This is automation, technology, and workflow management. And you need it, and it's wonderful, and it's a fantastic tool, but it is not number 1. And so often we start with that as number 1. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of these 6 steps. Drafting your Constitution. There are 3 parts to the Constitution of the United States. And the Constitution of the United States is such a powerful document because it explains who we are and why we exist and how we operate. It designs the 3 branches of government. It talks about how the 3 work together. It talks about what we value, and it talks about why we exist. So the preamble is, why do we exist? Why does the federal government exist? And so this is your mission statement. Why do you as a law firm exist? The second part is the articles. The articles are the nuts and bolts of how your firm operates. So this is, we are a partnership. We make decisions through partnership and consensus, or this is, we are a single owner firm. We want your input, but ultimately all of the responsibility lies on me, the owner. This is what is expected of your employees. And so this is not how they do their job. This is what their job is, what you expect of them. And it's really important, and it's really useful. And I think you can write this entire document in roughly 5 pages. So it's not a complete and total manual, but it is something that you can have be your source of truth. And then the amendments, or the Bill of Rights, is, what do we value? Who are we? Why do we exist? What freedom of speech means a lot. Not every country has it. These individual rights and these themes that we have as a country matter very much. For the United States, it's the separation of powers, individual rights, checks and balances. For your law firm, it might be something else. For my law firm, it's growth. We're constantly growing. We're growing as individuals. We're growing as a company. That's simply expected. So, if you're struggling with something personally, it's not a problem, but I'm going to expect that you grow. And it's just unabashed. It's part of the job, that sort of thing. So it's a powerful, powerful document that I think you should take the time to write. Step 2 is building and curating your team. You may have no unconstitutional members on your team. You have to have people who are the right fit. And that's why step 1 has to come before step 2. You don't know if you have people who are the right fit until you do step 1, that constitution. Here's another rule of thumb. Your people must be managed. That means regular, systematic, and ongoing management. And they must have training and feedback. And this is not a one-time thing. It's absolutely ongoing. Get more tips in other videos or read some critical books. That's step 2. Step 3, data is the closest thing we have to objective truth. And you can't use data alone, which is why you have to use data along with your values. And you have to use, you have to look at data in the context of your firm. So you want to understand before you decide how you feel about flat fee versus the billable hour, determine what data is telling you. Before you determine if somebody is or isn't productive, look at the data. Data is powerful and you have it at your fingertips. You just need to know where to look. What type of data should you be looking at? Well, here are 6 pieces of data that I think you should be looking at. Number 1, intake and sales KPIs. Number 2, average client spend. How much do your clients spend with you? This allows you to predict future revenue. Number 3, NPS, Net Promoter Score. It is the best and most objective measurement of client satisfaction, and it's a great tool that you should have. Number 4, accounts receivable. How much work are you doing that you are or are not getting paid for? It's too easy to track, so you should be looking at it on an ongoing basis. Productivity. How many hours or dollars are you collectively and individually billing? You need to know what your productivity is. And number 6, what does your budget and cash flow look like? What does the amount of money coming in and the amount of money going out allow me to meet my goals, and am I healthy in that respect? Number 4 is identifying and attracting the right clients. It's not hard to get clients. There are more clients out there than we could possibly serve, but getting the right clients is the key to having a law firm that works for you on an ongoing basis, where you don't burn out and you're not burning out your employees. Number 5, money management. Mo money, no money, mo problems. You have to have cash flow. You must have more money coming in than money going out. And too many people pay attention only to the money coming in, not the money going out. You should have a compensation model that provides for good quality compensation for the people who are working for you, so you don't have turnover, but that isn't too much as a percentage of your revenue. And that's one of the things that we're constantly looking at. And then you need to look at your pricing and billing. Am I priced correctly? And am I billing enough and often enough and frequently enough and with enough proactivity to actually get paid for the work I'm doing? And then what financing option should I be looking at? Do I need a line of credit? Do I need am I bootstrapping? How am I financing my law firm? Step 6 is systems and systems and processes. This is how you do what you do, writing it down, automating it, and finding technology to make it better. Are you a law firm or are you a group of attorneys? If you are a group of attorneys and everyone's doing their own thing, you have no systems, you have no processes, and guess what? You can't scale and you can't sell. You have no oversight, and you're honestly a ticking time bomb, because the people that you're responsible for are operating however they want to, and it's only a matter of time before the wheels come off. Be committed to an analysis of the results of your systems and processes, and use data and KPIs to understand how you're doing and whether or not you're on the right track. That is the abridged version of the 6 steps that you need. Look for a course online that has each of these 6 steps broken down into modules. But for now, you've got a sneak peek at those 6 steps, and you can audit your own firm to find out how you're doing and whether or not you're on track. Don't forget to subscribe for all of these fabulous videos coming out, and let me know if there are any topics that you would like us to cover. Talk to you soon.